How do you replace a CPU? First, power off the computer and disconnect it from electricity. Remove the CPU cooler carefully, then unlock the CPU socket and lift out the old processor without touching the delicate contact pins or pads. Place the new CPU into the socket, making sure the alignment mark matches the socket indicator, and lock it securely. Next, apply a small amount of thermal paste if needed, reinstall the CPU cooler, reconnect its power cable, and close the system. Finally, power on the computer and check the BIOS or operating system to confirm the new CPU is detected and running normally. A careful installation helps ensure maximum performance and prevents hardware damage.